Hi all, welcome to my channel Java Soul. In today's video, we are going to discuss map and flat map, and also we'll see how we can debug stream API. As you can see, I have already created some of the classes like an students. Okay, this class having a two properties, name and activities, and one more class also created like an student space class, which is having a one methods get all students, which is returning a list of students. Okay, I have created a six students objects, and each students objects having value for name and activities. Okay, activities I'm passing a list. Okay, and these all students objects I'm passing to the list from here, and then returning this list. Okay, we will first discuss map. So as I mentioned, this one basically used to convert from one type to another type. Okay, let's see with an example. So first, I'll get all the students from an student space class. So we will call a get all students method, and which will returns on a list of students. Dot get all students. Okay, now we need to get an stream, so we need to call a stream function. As you can see, what it's returning a stream of students. Okay, our requirement is instead of list of students, we have to get a list of students name. Okay, name, as you can see, is type of a string, so we need to get a list of string. So we'll call a map. Okay, then and also map, you can see what it accept. Okay, let's remove and explore this. As you can see, it accepts a function. Okay, so let's return student's name. Okay, now you will see it's returning a stream of string. Okay, so what it's doing here, converting from list of student to list of stream of students to stream of string, because the name type is string. Okay, now we will debug using a peak function. As you can see, it accepts a consumer, so we will create a consumer using a lambda expression. Okay, we'll print here. This will basically use for debugging purpose. Name. Okay, now we'll call a collect function because it's an intermediate function, so it will not execute until we call a terminal operations. Okay, as you can see, I'm not assigning it to a list and then iterating using a for each. I'm just executing this, and this you will see, and the elements will get printed here. See, okay, these are the names any students objects are, so all are getting printed here. But in real-time applications, we cannot use this peak function because this is for just a debugging purpose. So in real-time applications, you just need to use a new list of type and a string, and you can take one reference variable here, names, and then you can print using like for each. System.out println. Oh, sorry. Oh, so here you can see all students names are getting printed. Okay, so instead of just converting from one type to another type, okay, We can do some other operations also. Like if our requirement is just to convert all the name into an uppercase, we can use here map as well. Map, okay. Name dot to uppercase or to lowercase, whatever you want. Now let's print this. As you can see, all names are getting printed into an uppercase. Now we'll see the flat map. So flat map also used to convert from one type to another type, and each elements in a stream represent multiple elements. As you can see, okay, I have mentioned here the stream of type list, stream of type arrays. Okay, a stream can be of any collection type, and you know the collection type can contain any number of elements. Okay, list can contain any number of elements. Arrays can contain more than one elements. Okay, now our what we wants now, we wants to print a list of activities. Okay, so what we need to do, we are already having list of students here. First we'll call an stream function. Okay, then in this stream function, what it will returns, it will returns a stream of student. As you can see here, it's returning a stream of students. So we need first to call a map. Okay, and what we want from here, we want activities. Get activities. Okay, now what it will return, as you can see here, it's returning a stream of list of string. Okay, stream of list of string. Okay, now we'll call a collect function. Okay, now I'll show you what error will come now. In a to list, okay, let's take one string of type in string and activities. As you can see, it's giving an error. Okay, what it expecting, it's expecting a list of string, but what we are returning from here, we are returning list of string. Okay, because we do have a list of strings. So what this function is expecting, it's expecting in a list of string. So that's why the flat map comes into the picture. So what it does, it's just a flatten stream. Okay, so what we will do here, we'll use a list and we'll call an a stream. So it will returns now stream of string. As you can see, it's returning a stream of string. Then I'm calling this collect function and converting again the stream elements into a list. Now we can print this. Activities dot for each system dot out print, or let's add println. Okay, for time being I'm just commenting this one. Now let's run it. So now as you can see, all activities are getting printed here. Okay, so this, I hope you understand what exactly the use of flat map. This one basically used to flatten stream whenever you have kind of the data like in a list of string or some other data. Okay, like in a stream contains in a collection. Okay, then you need to use the flat map. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please provide some comments and do subscribe and like. Thank you.